Today, we took a walk to Goldie Street in Calabar. And right here, we have a beautiful statue. This statue is located at Goldie by Atu, just by Marian Hill. Marian Hill runs on the distal right side of Holy Child Secondary School's main gate. A close look at this inscription, you will find that the inscription reads, "Avoid starvation. Farm now. There is dignity in labor." This is an ancient culture found in the city of Calabar. This significant cultural artifact was rediscovered in 1989. The concept behind it was developed by Mr. Nyambo, the then Commissioner for Special Duties, and it was unveiled by Navy Captain Ibim Prince Will. Right here is the popular Goldie newspaper stand, where men gathered every day to read newspapers and argue. We also took a walk to the first and oldest building on Goldie Street. And we were able to interview one of the occupants of this beautiful ancient building. So take a listen.
Okay. Papa, is there? What is there? Okay. I'm going to get my into EHF, Cross River State chapter. Ikinama imisanga ke farise menkane fangte Goldie being one of the oldest streets in Cross River State and Calabar. So in our findings, we discovered that this very building, this very beautiful and old edifice, is the oldest or one of the oldest, because we have not seen one like this along this side. So seeing you here as the successor of this very building, because you look young, I want to know you and give us a brief history of this very place. Thank you.
Okay. Actually, the building you have here is a building that has a whole lot of history, and it happens to be the first building in this village. This is what and as a successor of this building, I think I'm in the right position to give an history on the story of the building. And the person who built it is nobody but late Chief Samuel Raphael Thomas Hogan. Was born 1912, who passed on 2002. And sitting here on his grave, right here with me, is my grandfather, who is the right landlord of the building. As you can see, it's an ancient building, and this is an history that, you know, in a kingdom like this, I think you need to do much about things like these, properties like this, because this is a tourist, center, and when you look at things, we know that it was not in today's, structure. So I think you have all the details that you need.
So, Babambok, man, this was way, KK Babu for me. This was way, KK Babu for me.
Okay. Babu for me.
Africa, Magana was a no, the Fambo Grade.
I'm going George, as for Hogan. Any of your gaming tattoo can it be Watumba. Secretary Zunamin Potiaba. Come when I man, Yama, Aka Germany. I didn't know don't worry, you're going on Germany in 1964. Odo me, Obo Neutral me, who put it on me, tongue with me, so Eddie Tianyan, Dina Narayan, Nintamayan Kama.
Okay. So
We do hope you enjoyed this tour of Goldie Street in Calabar with us, and we can't wait to do another tour with you. Stay glued to our page and enjoy the rest of your day.